How's it going, everyone? Today's video we're going to be going over this Duromax Tri-Fuel XP 13,000 watt generator, part of their HXT series. When running this generator on gasoline, you got a peak wattage of 13,000 and a running wattage of 10,500. When running on propane, your peak wattage is 12,000 watts and running wattage is 9,500. And when you're running off natural gas, your peak wattage is 10,000 watts and your running wattage is 8,500 watts. Moving up to the power interface, you have one 120 240 volt 50 amp plug, which can be used with interlock kits or transfer switches. It's also got one 120 240 volt 30 amp plug. Off to the left here, we have two 120 volt 20 amp GFCI outlets where you can plug most 120 volt household products into. The 120 volt 30 amp outlet is used for high amperage power tools and appliances. Up at the top, we have our convenient push to start button. Just hold the button for 1 second to start the generator. It's got a low oil alert designed to shut the engine down if the engine oil becomes too low. Here's your battery control switch and your idle control switch. This will help you save money on fuel costs when using power tools by automatically slowing down the engine speed while no load is applied to conserve fuel. This breaker here is a safety feature that will help keep you and the generator protected in an event of an overload or short circuit. They've upgraded this digital multimeter with an advanced computer system and large LED display. You can view the gas gauge, load gauge, as well as the voltage frequency and the runtime at a simple glance. The generator even comes with a push-to-start key fob for your keychain. Over here at your fuel interface, you got a step 1, your gas selector. This is going to set whether you're going to use natural gas, propane, or gasoline. This is where you're going to want to connect your natural gas or your propane source. For natural gas, you want to connect the gray 3/4 inch gas hose to the inlet. For the propane, you want to connect a 3/8 propane hose to this inlet. Now you're going to select your fuel type up here in step 2. You can select your natural gas, propane. Right here you can select to run your carburetor dry for storage. And you can select to run on gasoline. The power behind this is a 4-stroke OHV 4-star 500cc Duromax engine. The recommended oil types are 10W30, blended conventional or synthetic oils. The gas tank for this unit is located on the top, and it's capable of holding 8.3 gallons of gasoline. The generator also has 10-inch metal hub wheels and these foldable arms, which are perfect for storage and moving the generator around your yard. When you buy your generator, this is what's going to come in the box. You're going to get all your plug ends, all your tools for assembly and maintenance, a propane regulator and hose, and also a quick release which makes it simple to connect. You're also going to get your oil funnel and also your 3/4 inch natural gas hookup with all the components to hook up to your natural gas. All your ends are a quick connect, which makes it really easy. Duramax portable generators are designed to be mobile and versatile with the ability to provide power whenever and wherever you need it. If you like this video, you can check out this related video or another video on my page. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn the bell notifications on, and thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.